This one here will be a slight twist on substitution. We've got the integral of x times the square root of x plus 2 dx. Now we're going to let what's under the radical be, we'll let that be the u, where the u is equal to. And now we're going to have to do something a little bit different. Because when I take the derivative of this, du is equal to 1 dx, as you can see here we have a dx, but we also have an x here. So what are we going to substitute for this x? That's the question. We're going to have to go back into here, and what we can do is a trick. And what we're going to do is we're going to solve for x in this problem here. So we're going to have u minus 2 is equal to x. So now we can substitute this x right here for u minus 2. We're going to go ahead and do all of that right now. And of course we have the square root, but you know what? I'm going to go ahead and skip that step and just write u to the half power so we don't have to do that again. And then dx, remember, gets replaced with the du. There you go. So this was a little bit of a trick to get there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and distribute this u across inside the parentheses. So we have u times u to the half minus 2 times u to the half. Let's put parentheses around all this, and then times du. But we still want to clean it up a little bit before we actually do any calculus. I should be writing equal signs here. We have 1 plus a half. So this becomes u to the 3 halves minus 2u to the half, and then du. Now we can actually do some calculus. We'll just scroll on down the screen. We got plenty of board. So we add 1 to the exponent. We end up with u to the 5 halves over 5 halves minus 2 times u adding, so we have 3 halves, and that's over 3 halves. And don't forget the c, or you're going to be in trouble. Take this, we're going to flip that around, so we have 2/5 u to the 5 halves, and then we flip that, so we end up with, what do we end up with? I think 4/3, right? Yeah. So 4/3 u to the 3 halves plus c. Now we go back and do the back substitution, substitute it back. Right, so we want to take that x plus 2 and plug it in wherever there's a u. So scrolling equals 2/5 times, and this is going to be x plus 2 raised to the 5 halves minus 4/3 x plus 2 raised to the 3 halves, and then plus c. Now you can do some factoring if you want. You can factor out an x plus 2 raised to the 3 halves. You can actually pull that out of there. I'm just going to leave it alone. Let you work on that. Alright.